everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very well in your life. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a style update. Today we are diving into something bold, fresh, and totally confidence boosting short pixie haircut ideas. Whether you have looking reinvent your look to go low maintenance or just try something edgy and empowering. The pixie cut might just be your perfect match. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's explore some setting pixie style that suits different face shape, hair types, and personalities. Let's start with the classic pixie cut, the one you have seen on style icon like Audrey Hepburn and Mia Farrow. This look is super short around the sides and back with just enough length on top to give it a soft feminine vibe. It's timeless, elegant, and surprisingly versatile. The classic pixie is perfect if you want to show off your facial feature. Think cheekbones, jawline, and eyes. It works especially well on all and heart-shaped faces. But with the right styling, anyone can pull it off. Add a side-swept fringe or a bit of texturing spray, and you have got a chic everyday style in under 5 minutes. Next up, the texture pixie cut, a more modern and edgy version that's become a super popular in recent years. This cut keeps things short, but it adds layer and movement to create that I woke up this like this effortless vibe. It's amazing for anyone for fine or thin hair because the texture gives the illusion of volume. But if you have thick hair, don't worry, your stylist can still shape it with thinking shear to keep it lightweight. Styling is easy, just scrunch in some mouses and sea salt spray and let your natural texture shine through. This is a carefree, confident look that feels both stylish and low maintenance. Now, if you are not ready to go super short, the long pixie, sometimes called the pixie bob, is a great in between option. It gives you the short hair vibes while still offering a bit of length to play with. Usually, the back and side are kept short, but the top and front section are left longer, sometimes even grazing the jawline. It's flirting facing framing and can be tucked behind the ear or styled before forward for a more dramatic look. This cut is perfect for rounder face shape because the longer front the face beautifully, plus it grows out gracefully. So you don't have to rush to have salon every few weeks. If you are feeling bold and want something high fashion, the undercut pixie is where it's at. This style feature very short or even shaved side and back where the top is left longer for contrast. You can wear the top sleek and polished or go full rock star with the volume and texture. Either way, it's a statement cut perfect for showcasing tattoos, piercing, or just stating personality. The undercut also gives you some amazing styling option from sleek back glam to touched punk vibe, and bonus, it keeps you cool and in hot weather. Think pixie cuts are not for curly hair? Think again. The curly pixie is absolutely gorgeous, playful, unique, and full of personality. It works beautifully with natural curl coils and waves. The key here is to keep enough length on top to let your curls from wheeling, keeping the sides and back neat and tidy. This balanced volume and shape give you a stunning sleuths that highlights your natural texture. Use a curl cream or gel to define your curls and keep frizzy at bay. And don't forget, a good diffuser will be your best friend. This style proves that you don't need long hair to rock your curl confidently. For something sleek and fashion forward, try the symmetrical pixie cut. This one features longer base on one side and shorter on the other, creating a dramatic angular look and also confidence. It works well with straight or wavy hair, and it's especially flattering if you want to soften or round and scare face. Add in some highlights or a bold color and it instantly becomes a showstopper. This style is all about contrast and creativity, and the best part, you can tolerate the length to your comfort level, whether you want subtle asymmetrically or full-on drama. Want to soften your look? Go for a pixie cut with bangs, whether it's side swept, micro bangs, or even curtain style. Adding frings on a pixie cut adds a youthful and stylish touch. Thank you so much guys for watching my video ideas and style. We will be right back with another amazing ideas, style and designs. Take care. See you soon in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this video ideas and designs. And we will be right back. See you soon guys. And bye bye.